Well, one thing I was looking for, since we've never done this before and we didn't know what we didn't know, I wanted to contract one company to be the systems integrator, and that's IntelliFinishing. MRI is focused predominantly on outdoor liquid crystal displays in very demanding environments. We're focused on the harsh environments where we're directly out in the weather, out in the sun. Could be bus shelters, amusement parks, transit venues. So we did get competitive quotes from multiple potential suppliers. And on a linear foot basis, IntelliFinishing was the highest price. But it also was the most compact line. It was the most flexible line. It was the highest quality line. It took the smallest footprint by as much as 50% less space. We just went through a 83,000 square foot expansion. We have added north of $10 million of new capital equipment. And again, without hesitation or question, the IntelliFinishing crew process, they were hands down the best to work with. Very efficient, very thorough, very easy to work with. It was amazingly smooth and painless. All of your moving parts are well above and outside of the wash. They're well above and outside of the oven, so they don't get hot, they don't get dirty. We haven't had the system that long, but so far it's been maintenance free. We got a lot of processes going on simultaneously, maybe in different directions on different bars. It's amazing just to see the whole line, how automated and systematic and seamless it works. So from a manpower standpoint, from a capacity standpoint, from a quality and a consistency standpoint, I don't think there's anything better. Honestly, I am extremely satisfied and would not even consider another line.